Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool set of these two brothers, I think so, that it's an inflatable toy, as you can see over here, for the Christmas season. This one is 5.5 feet tall. I want to say 5 point something feet tall, and they're a set of two, as you can see over here. They have some weight, but what I do recommend is that this one comes with stakes and ropes, so you can actually put, there's some kind of straps right here that you can actually tie with the ropes and kind of like secure it to the ground. Of course, I'm going to show it to you at night because they come with LED lights, so these are super cozy and kind of like cute as well. They're actually holding hands right here, so I think this is a nice decoration for both indoor and outdoor. It's super easy to use, comes with a power cable, you just plug it in. It comes with the fan on the back that's going to be kind of like having all the intake air all the time, so you just like plug it in, put it with a timer if you want, and that's everything you have to do. They look super cool, but I want to say let's just take a look at night, and of course remember that you have the stakes for securing it to the ground if you want. So now you can see them a little bit better at night with the LED lights. It's a kind of like red boy over here and this green one with the stars on top, and of course their faces with the beard as well. I think these are super cute. Again, I think that these are meant to be to use with the rope and the stakes because they kind of like fall a little bit, so probably you're gonna have to secure them with the ropes for sure. But I like them because they're super cozy. They kind of like inflates all the time, so this could be a really nice decoration for use with your, we kind of like to prep it with your kids, for example, and set them outdoors in your patio, in the entrance of your house, in your indoors if you like as well. And they're super nice, cozy, and friendly, kind of like friendly grabbing hands over here. Super nice one, cute ones, recommended. Thanks for watching and see you soon.